Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're finally looking at the new Ripple Burst. I've been looking forward to this one for a long time. This is a cherry flavor with acai and fresh mint. I love cherries. I love that kind of fruit flavor, so I'm very excited to try this. Now, I did record this once and the file got corrupted, so we're doing this all over again. We have the one that's opened up here. I just want to remind you guys, we have a discount code. It gets you a discount on all Ripple stuff, home and these. And yeah, it helps out the channel too. So don't forget to use that discount code. But let's try this here. You can always tell which flavor you have by the side markings. This is a limited edition cherry, acai, and fresh mint. So again, the fresh mint in this is kind of extracting that fruit flavor. It's really, really good. It's kind of eye-opening, but the cherry is like fruitful enough where it kind of makes it this nice kind of creamy, rich, full-flavored like cherry flavor, but on the back end, that fresh mint kind of wakes you up. Now it says it has acai, and it says empowering, raises liveliness. So for me, I'm definitely going with that cherry aroma. They describe it as a juicy explosion. Fresh mint, revitalizing, lifts spirits. I've had acai. Oh shoot, is it acai or acai? I completely forget, but the overwhelming flavor is that cherry aroma. I can taste that immediately, and I love that. By the way, if you want to take another look, here's the packaging. I love that they always have like a little kind of logo going on, especially for this. And what does that say in tiny little letters? Joyfully grown. That's nice. And on the back here, just pause if you want to read any of this here. And this is one of the things I actually just realized this time, and maybe it's always been a thing, but it says 100% biodegradable, like this packaging here. So you can recycle it, you can biodegrade it, and I think that's great having this kind of packaging, as much packaging as you can, being paper and everything here. Of course, the unit is going to be made of something different, but this is great. I love to see that. Let's try this out again. It's uplifting. It is uplifting, and that kind of fruit flavor really kind of, it's like this perfect balance of fruit and that mintiness. Now, prior to this, and it may still be, but they had a kiwi flavor, which is one of my favorite ever as a fruit flavor. This is kind of on par with that. Kiwi was a delicious, well-rounded, full flavor of a fruit flavor, and it had some mintiness, but I think this does it a little bit better. I'll have to try the other one and this one too, but let's try the other way that you can use this device, by blowing through it. And as always, it always makes that kind of fruit flavor, or any flavor, when you exhale through this, into a much more creamy, yeah, it's almost like toasted cherries, but that sweetness is still there, and I really like that. So I've seen a lot of people kind of comment, oh, you're not supposed to breathe through it. Yeah, these ones are engineered to be able to be breathed through. But yeah, it does work exactly like that. And yes, you can do it without damaging the device. So don't be worried. But it is like this nice, rich, extremely rich toasted cherry, and that's really, really nice. So you get two ways of enjoying this. You get the kind of fresh and lively cherry with mint if you inhale, and if you exhale through, you get a kind of more creamy toasted cherry, which is always, always great. So guys, if you haven't already, I would say give it a try. You want to focus on it? Do you think it's a thing? I would say give it a try. I think this is one of the best flavors that I've had in a long time. And don't forget, 0 nicotine, 1,000 puffs. This is Burst. They're a cherry, basic cherry and mint flavor. It does have acai, but for me, it's like, it definitely was like cherry, and mint. Maybe there is some acai, but I always know the cherry is like a more overwhelming flavor, at least for me. So that's what I caught on before. Anyway, guys, If you have any comments or questions, put it in the comments section below. Don't forget, you can find me on Instagram and Threads at M8B9. You can email me at creativenyc2025@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget, you can get the disposable devices, or you can get the ones that are pods, so you keep that basic unit and then you just keep on swapping these out. So look at how beautiful that coloring is. I think this has been very well done, and I'm very happy with this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.